Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy. This is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to make myself a sieve. Okay, I'm going to use some buckets and a grain bag, and we're going to show you how to make it. Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay, so let's get started on this. I've marked this bucket out here because it fits nicely inside of this bucket, okay? And I marked 6 inches up from the bottom. And I'm going to drill 4 holes. 5/16. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I got me some 5/16 bolts, and at the local hardware store or Home Depot, wherever in case you get your stuff, I got some fender washers. They're a real big washer. So I'm going to stick this bolt through the hole. If I can. And then I use a normal size washer. Just what I'm trying to do is to spread the stress out on this bucket. Okay, so let me get these 4 put in and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got these bolts mounted in my sieve bucket, right? And what you do is you're going to put that up there like that. And all the other thing the bolts are doing is going to hold this bucket up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill from these bolts down and the bottom. I'm going to fill full of holes. And then when I'm ready to use it, I'll take my grain bag, put inside, and I can put whatever I want to strain out inside. And if I have to, I can manipulate the bag like that. Okay, so let me start drilling some holes in like this, and then I'll come back and then show you how I'm making out. I got finished drilling all my holes. Got plastered up full of holes here. One of the challenges was all the little burrs that the drill bit left when you drilled the holes through, but just clean them up, get rid of them. And the way it's going to work is our bolts we put in here, we'll hold it up. We'll put our grain bag inside. And we can filter out anything we want to filter out. Okay, I think it's going to work pretty good. All my holes are below the bolts, so it won't run out on the ground or anything like that. So we'll probably be giving this here a test here shortly. Okay, I got everything, my grains in here. I got a grain bag, my sieve, and then it goes into this bucket. It's a bottling bucket, and then it is going into the fermenter. So I'll be able to get all that sparged out. I think it's going to work out pretty good. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.